Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a Black Flag USA shift boot delete on my R53. I'm super excited for this. It'll definitely help clean up the interior and is a lot easier to clean up itself. So this is going to be very exciting for me. But it is a bit of work compared to the F56 one, if you guys have seen that one. If not, go ahead and check it out. But yeah, hopefully this one's not too bad. But it is a little hair more work than the F56. So let's jump right into it. The 2 bolts that are sitting in here, so just gonna have to drop the glove box to get to this one. The other side should be open. Let's see. I didn't realize they were so big. Hi, small one. Hi. Yep. Don't pull too hard, you don't want to break it. It's actually pretty simple to get it out. Looks like there's 2 little screws down here. I think the goal of this is just so that you can pull this whole console up because it has little screws to hold it in. So what you're doing isn't in vain. Okay, I'm just going to unplug it, make it simpler. Luckily, R53 clips aren't that bad. Besides the center one, of course. I can't see underneath it. There we go. I don't want to pull the whole dash out, so I'm wondering if I can like mess this. What is this? There we go. That wasn't that bad. Okay. So fairly simple. Now that you have the center console piece out, just go ahead and stick this on, slides right over, and then go ahead and flip it over and we'll put the bolts in to hold it. I think. Alrighty, so that has the boot delete done. So then we need to put these two on. Well, I'm gonna put this stuff back. I'm just gonna start with plugging it all back in. Just put the screws back. So now I'm just going to put all the screws back and put back the center console. I actually really like the look of it. It looks really clean. It flows really well. I'm very happy with it. So overall, that really wasn't too bad of an install. It was fairly straightforward and easy to do. I would say it took about 20 minutes to do, just because of how much you needed to dismantle in comparison to the F56. F56 was much simpler. You kind of just rip the boot up and put the delete in, but this one did need the center console to come out in order to screw in the new ones. Overall, not that bad. I just wanted to let you guys know about how much time you're going to need to set aside. I really like it. I think it flows with the car very well, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to Black Flag USA for trusting me and allowing me to make these videos for him and help him out and hopefully help you guys out. So if you guys are interested in an R53 shift boot delete, I will link his Instagram here, probably put him in the description below as well, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.